Moore-Crispin here at CES 2011. I bumped into Dave from Ford. Now, Sync is kind of the new thing in your car. Kind of turns your car into a bit of a smartphone type experience. So we just had to come and find out what was new. He made a couple of announcements at the show. So basically, tell us what this whole Ford Sync experience. What's it all about?
Well, you know, Sync is really growing, and we're very proud of what we've done with Sync. The big announcements this year are AppLink,
right,
which connects Pandora, an application called Stitcher, and another application called OpenBeak, which is a Twitter client. When you simply pair your phone with Sync in your vehicle, that's all you need to do with your phone. You lay your phone down in the car, and the rest is handled through the user controls in the vehicle.
Right, so we're not texting as we drive anymore. Well, not that we ever did that.
No.
Bad news.
No, absolutely not. Our strategy at Ford is hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. Your phone actually, when you're using these apps, will be locked out. So even if you tried to go and use your Pandora interface on your phone, you couldn't.
Right.
So that's a key strategy for us. We want to make sure it's a safe driving experience.
Makes a lot of sense.
We know for a fact people are doing that who don't have this feature today. And what we tried to do with AppLink is create a safe environment, because we know people want to use it, they just need to use it safely.
So basically, if we bought a Ford in the past, like what period of time, and we could just access AppSync and all this stuff, well, like what's the time frame?
So this is what's another cool thing about Ford and our strategy. We actually launched Fiesta this summer.
Nice car, I like that car.
Thank you very much. We launched it in August timeframe of this summer, but the first application of AppLink is actually on the Fiesta as a USB download to those customers. So here again, the customer gets added value to their car after they've already purchased it. It's
so
a key strategy.
If you bought a Ford Fiesta, go get a USB key, plug it in, and you'll get this new experience.
Well, you
go and download the piece, put it in.
You have to go to our website called www.syncmyride.com.
Syncmyride.com.
You have an account. As soon as you log in, it'll tell you, oh, you have an update available. You have to insert a USB stick, you download the file into the USB stick, then you take it into your car, plug it in the USB stick in the car, it'll update for you, and you have AppLink.
So just trying to keep it nice and simple. Makes a lot of sense. Now, in behind us we have this software developer kit that actually allows your developer partners to really kind of, create new apps for Ford Sync. So what are some of your favorite features, or maybe, you know what, forget that. What are some of the things we might logically see coming to Ford Sync, as more of these developer partnerships kind of take hold?
Well, one of the things that's very key for us is doing software in a quality way.
Right.
So anything that impacts software in the vehicle, we want to make sure it's robust. So now that we've built the infrastructure to support an AppLink interface, other apps can use that interface without impacting anything in the vehicle.
Right.
So that allows us to work with mobile app developers to bring in new features, new content, without having to change anything in the car, which is a huge win for us.
Absolutely, yeah.
So as we've already announced with Pandora, Stitcher, and OpenBeak, we're already working with other potential app providers who will soon bring their apps sync enabled to their respective iTunes or Android Market stores, and the customers simply just download a new version of the app they already have on their phone and get in their car, and now they can use that app just like they would Pandora, Stitcher, or OpenBeak.
Right. Now, you mentioned earlier, all we really need is, even if we have a feature phone with no data plan, all we need is a Bluetooth, Bluetooth enabled.
Now that's a little bit different.
No, absolutely, for a lot of the apps and stuff like that, but there's a lot of the stuff that we can actually, we can unlock part of this sync experience with just a phone in our car.
Right. So we really have a three-pillar approach to our strategy. We have a built-in approach, we have a beamed-in approach, and we have the brought-in approach.
Right.
The built-in features are our 911 assist, our vehicle health report. Our beamed-in is our service traffic directions, our sync traffic directions and information service, and then of course our brought-in is our AppLink strategy.
Right.
The built-in, all of these leverage what you bring into the car, but our built-in and our beamed-in do not require a data plan. The minimum requirements for those features is any phone that has Bluetooth and a hands-free profile service on it. So all you have to do is pair your phone. So if you're capable of pairing your phone and just using it for phone calls, you also have access to emergency 911 assist calls, vehicle health reports, and our Sync TDI services.
Okay, cool. Now, you guys did release your own app fairly recently called Sync Destinations.
Yes.
So really quickly, because we got to wrap here, let's tell us a bit about that one. I'm going to pick up your iPad here.
Okay. Sync Destinations is a new value-added service. This is, again, bringing in additional features and content to people who have already purchased their car. We've had this service available for 18 months. Because it's cloud-based and because it's app-based, we can bring those features and services without having to change anything in the car.
Right.
So along with this app, we've added things like Send a Sync through Google Maps and MapQuest. We've added stocks, movies, horoscopes, travel information. All you have to do is press the voice button in the car, say services, and you're connected to the cloud.
Oh, so we're running through a voice tree. We're not actually touching any of our...
That's correct.
Okay, very cool.
But with this app, you have the added benefit of getting real-time traffic information, incident reports. You can add destinations here that are linked to your cloud-based services.
Right.
So if you want to add Taco Bell, for example.
Who doesn't like Taco Bell?
Absolutely. You find the closest Taco Bell on here, save it as a save point. You get in your car, you say services, and then when you're connected through your phone, you simply say directions to Taco Bell. The route would be downloaded and you're on your way.
Very nice. Well, I think I got to get myself to Taco Bell. So where are we going for more information on Ford Sync and all the great products that you're dealing with there?
Absolutely. You go to syncmyride.com, FordVehicleOwners.com. We've got a whole ecosystem where you enter any one of the, even Ford.com will take you to the wealth of information that we have available on the web.
Very cool, very cool. So for links and everything we discussed here today, hit up the show notes on butterscotch.com. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.